Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best vacuum cleaner to buy on Amazon in 2026, you've come to the right place. Whether you need a powerful robot vacuum for everyday cleaning, a reliable upright vacuum for carpets and hard floors, or an advanced vacuum and mop combo for a hands-free cleaning experience, choosing the right model can make a huge difference. In today's video, we've selected the top 5 best vacuum cleaners available on Amazon. We'll cover the key features, suction power, smart navigation, cleaning performance, and what makes each vacuum stand out. You'll find links to all of these vacuums in the description below. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Roborock Saros 10R Robot Vacuum and Mop. Starting our list is the Roborock Saros 10R Robot Vacuum and Mop, a premium all-in-one cleaning solution designed for homes that need powerful suction and smart automation. With an impressive 22,000 pascals of suction, this robot vacuum is built to handle dust, debris, and pet hair with ease. Its zero-tangling design helps reduce hair wrap, while the ultra-slim 3.14-inch body allows it to clean under furniture and into tight spaces. The FlexiArm riser technology improves carpet and floor cleaning, and the corner and edge cleaning system helps reach areas that many vacuums miss. It also includes self-emptying convenience and hot air drying, making maintenance easier and helping keep the mop system fresh between cleaning sessions. Pros: powerful 22,000 pascal suction, zero tangling design for pet hair, ultra-slim 3.14-inch profile, FlexiArm riser technology for carpets and floors, corner and edge cleaning support, self-emptying base with hot air drying. Number 2. Oreck Commercial XL Vacuum Cleaner. The Oreck Commercial XL Vacuum Cleaner is a dependable upright vacuum built for users who want strong cleaning performance in a lightweight design. This bagged upright vacuum is ideal for both carpets and hard floors, making it a versatile option for commercial spaces, offices, and busy homes. Its automatic height adjustment helps it adapt to different floor types, while the high-speed brush roll delivers deep cleaning performance on carpeted surfaces. Because it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, the Oreck Commercial XL is a great choice for anyone who wants a straightforward vacuum that gets the job done without unnecessary complexity. Pros: lightweight and easy to carry, bagged upright design for cleaner disposal, automatic height adjustment, high-speed brush roll for deep carpet cleaning, works on carpets and hard floors, ideal for commercial use. Number 3. Shark AV2501 AI Robot Vacuum. The Shark AV2501 AI Robot Vacuum is a smart and convenient cleaning companion, especially for pet owners who want reliable, everyday cleaning. It comes with an XL HEPA self-empty base and a bagless design with up to 60 days of capacity, reducing how often you need to empty it. LiDAR navigation helps the vacuum map your home accurately and clean in efficient paths, while AI-powered cleaning makes it better at navigating around furniture and obstacles. This model is also compatible with Alexa and Wi-Fi connected, giving you easy voice and app control for a more seamless experience. It performs well on both carpet and hard floors, making it a strong all-around robot vacuum for modern homes. Pros: AI-powered smart navigation, XL HEPA self-empty base, bagless design with 60 days capacity, LiDAR navigation for accurate mapping, great for pet hair, Alexa and Wi-Fi compatible. Number 4. iRobot Roomba 505X Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo. The iRobot Roomba 505X Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo is designed for users who want powerful suction, smart automation, and the convenience of both vacuuming and mopping in one device. With 70 times more suction, this robot is built to tackle dirt, dust, and pet hair more effectively than standard models. Its multifunction dock adds major convenience with 75 days self-emptying, self-cleaning, and hot dry features, helping reduce maintenance and keep the system ready for the next cleaning cycle. The lifting spinning mop pads are especially useful because they help the vacuum transition between vacuuming and mopping tasks more efficiently. AI avoidance also improves navigation around furniture, cords, and other household items. Pros: 70 times more suction for stronger cleaning. Vacuum and mop combo design. Multi-function dock with self-emptying. Self-cleaning and hot-dry support. Lifting spinning mop pads. AI obstacle avoidance for smarter navigation. Number 5. ECOVACS DEEBOT X11O OMNICYCLONE Robot Vacuum and Mop. Taking the top spot is the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11O OMNICYCLONE Robot Vacuum and Mop, one of the most advanced cleaning systems on this list. With 30,000 pascals of suction, this robot vacuum delivers exceptional cleaning power for large homes and demanding messes. Its true-edge roller mopping system is designed to improve edge and corner cleaning, while the zero-tangle technology helps reduce hair wrap and keep maintenance low. The bagless station makes cleaning more effortless, and the 3-minute fast charging feature is a major advantage for larger homes that need quick turnaround between cleaning sessions. AI avoidance helps the vacuum navigate around obstacles, and the Eco Agent adds smart voice and app-based control for a more seamless experience. For homeowners who want powerful suction, advanced mopping, and intelligent automation, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11O OMNICYCLONE Robot Vacuum and Mop is an outstanding choice. Pros: massive 30,000 pascals suction, true-edge roller mopping for better edge cleaning, bagless station for easier maintenance, 3-minute fast charging, zero-tangle technology, AI avoidance, and Eco Agent smart control. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best vacuum cleaners on Amazon in 2026. If you're looking for the most powerful all-around cleaning performance, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11O OMNICYCLONE stands out with its incredible suction and advanced mopping system. For a premium slim robot vacuum with excellent edge cleaning, the Roborock Saros 10R is a fantastic option. If you need a reliable upright vacuum for carpets and hard floors, the Oreck Commercial XL is a strong and practical choice. The Shark AV2501 AI is perfect for pet owners who want smart navigation and long self-emptying convenience. And if you want a vacuum and mop combo with powerful suction and minimal maintenance, the iRobot Roomba 505X is an excellent pick. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and deals. We'll see you in the next video.